Systeme.io, the best all-in-one marketing software. Systeme.io is the greatest all-in-one marketing platform, allowing you to sell your products and services under a distinct domain while utilizing all of the characteristics of a sales funnel approach. Systeme.io is the ideal tool for starting an internet business, but it's also highly powerful, with over 2,000 satisfied clients. Systeme.io is intended for small business owners looking for a simple solution to run their operations and sell their products online. It is a completely integrated and cohesive system that functions as a whole. The online platform that allows you to organize, as well as several automation capabilities that you may set up on your own, are where Systeme.io's greatest potential lies. It is incredibly simple to create personalized newsletters and promotional offers, and they allow you to take your lead through the whole sales funnel process. What can Systeme.io be used for? Start selling a product using Systeme.io without creating a product on your dashboard. It's time to say farewell. Because when a consumer quits Systeme.io, the access he paid for is instantly terminated. Set up an affiliate program. Distribute your affiliate commissions. Make your offer available in the Systeme.io marketplace. Benefits of using Systeme.io. Save time and money by running your whole business with just one tool. Create full sales funnels with a few clicks. Create an efficient sales funnel network to maximize your return on investment (ROI). Building your online course with our editor takes only a few minutes. Systeme.io's user-friendly platform enables you to integrate all of the potential of internet marketing. It is a wonderful technique to improve contact with prospects and reach a larger audience. Systeme.io's best features: sales funnels, email promotion, offer your online course for sale, drop shipping, start your blog, organize evergreen webinars, set up your affiliate program, automate your company. Thank you. Want to enjoy Systeme.io great offer? Sign up link is in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments section. Once again, thank you.